Place the coconut in boiling water, and you're going to thank me for this. You'll never do it any other way again. For this, take a dry coconut and remove all the liquid. Once that's done, hit it with the help of an object, making sure to rotate it like this. This way, we'll be able to open it easily. This is where people struggle the most. This white part of the coconut is the most delicious. Many people use it in recipes for grating or something like that. And they have a real bad time removing the entire pulp. So let's do the following. Put a good amount of water to boil, enough to cover the entire coconut. Then just put the coconut in the boiling water and leave it for 2 minutes. After the time is up, remove the coconut and immediately put it in a container with cold water. With the rapid change in temperature, there'll be a thermal shock. And you'll see how easy it will be to remove the pulp. Now just take a spoon, and with the handle of the spoon, fit it onto the shell and the pulp. And then start turning. And see how the pulp comes off the shell completely. Look how easy it is, and you won't need to use any force. With this simple process, you can remove all the pulp without waste and especially without effort. Check this out, it's amazing. Now you can make your recipes and enjoy all the flavor of this wonderful fruit. Now tell me, what's your favorite recipe with coconut? Do you use it whole or grate it? That was today's tip. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.